Hey guys, today I'm going to be hydro dipping a fidget spinner. I got the fidget spinner right here, and I got purple paint, and I got my bucket of water. So yeah, it's not really a tutorial, I'm just going to be doing it. So let's get to it. I don't really know how to do this, but who cares. I got my paint and water, so I'm just gonna, after it's well shook, just spray paint it, the water. And that looks pretty good to me. The whole top's purple. You can't see it real well, but that's good. I got the fidget spinner, and we're just gonna dip it in there, get it all nice, and yeah, that's pretty good, I think. There it is. It looks so black, but it's not. And I'm gonna let it dry, and I'll be back with you. Here it is. It's done being hydro dipped. Looks pretty sweet. This side has a little bit of imperfections, but it still looks sweet. It looks like those galaxy spinners. And yeah, it's a sweet pattern. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Click the bell for more videos.
Hmm?
Yeah.
So how are you going to remember that?